We are here together to celebrate our nation's independence. How are you, kiddo? And we are here to thank God for our nation, united. We say God bless America. We pray that God blesses the world, but we raise him up on high because of his blessings, because of his watch, because of his providential guidance. Our nation continues forward, but what makes us great is our unity, our strength, not uniform in our beliefs or our approaches to life, but united with a common vision that as we move forward together, all of us succeed. So together we say, God bless America, God bless Passaic, and God bless all of your families. All right, you ready? Are you guys ready sitting down? All right. 19,
18, 17, 16, 14,
12, 11, 10, 9,
8,
7, 6,
5, 4, 3,
To everyone who's visiting from Bergen County, from Passaic, from Clifton, from Patterson, from Wayne, from everywhere that you came, you're welcome. Passaic loves you. You guys are the very best. Thank you for all you do. Everyone who came from Hudson County, from all the counties, everybody, lottie-dottie, everybody, nobody's left out. We love you all. We are a stronger community when we are united. Our diversity is our strength. Not uniform in our approach, but united in our vision. We are a wonderful and strong community. Remember, children, respect your parents, listen to your parents, and we always thank God for everything. Thank God for this nation, thank God for all that we have, and thank God for your parents. Yes?
Be safe and don't break an arm.
All right, that's good advice. She speaks from experience. Ella, tengan cuidado y no se rompen un brazo. Ella habla de experiencia. All right, who didn't get to say God bless America?
God bless America!
Ay, qué bella, qué linda.